Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to this sacred space. This is a space of healing, for feeling, and for finding your way back to yourself gently, one breath at a time. Here on this channel, I offer meditations, hypnotherapy, energy work, and emotional tools like Ho'oponopono and EFT, all created to help you connect to your true self and to clear what no longer belongs. Today's session is a healing emotional trauma meditation. Whether your trauma came from childhood, a relationship, a loss, or an experience that left invisible wounds, this practice is here to hold you, soothe your nervous system, and help you begin to gently release what's been living in your body and heart. So go ahead and find a quiet, comfortable space. Sit or lay down, and when you're ready, softly close your eyes. This is your time now. We will begin by bringing your body into safety with your breath. This breathing technique is called box breathing, a grounding, soothing breath used to calm the nervous system. Let's begin. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. And exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. And hold for 4 seconds. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. And one more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. Now allow your breath to return to a gentle, natural rhythm. Let your body begin to soften. Let this space be your medicine. And now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a soft blue light above you, like the color of the ocean. This light begins to gently pour down over you, calming you, clearing you. Feel this light move over your scalp, your forehead, unclenching your jaw, soothing your throat, and melting tension from your neck and shoulders. Now the light continues down your arms, into your chest, and into your heart space. As it touches your heart, you may notice some emotion rising, and that's okay. Just breathe through it. Let the light continue into your belly, your center. Allow it to soften whatever has been held there. Now down into your hips, thighs, knees, down through calves and ankles, and finally into your feet. Now feel roots growing from the soles of your feet, soft, glowing, silvery roots, reaching down into the earth, anchoring you. You are grounded. You are safe. You are home. And now in your mind's eye, imagine you are standing on a quiet beach. The sky is painted with soft shades of dusk. The air smells of salt and peace. Waves roll in gently, calm, predictable, soothing. And you begin to walk slowly towards the water. Each step you take, you feel a little lighter, as if the earth is helping you release the weight of your emotional pain. You reach the water's edge. The ocean greets you like an old friend, and you step in, ankle deep, knee deep, and then you float. You are safe in this water. You are supported. You are being held. The water is warm, like a mother's embrace. And with every wave that moves through you, it pulls away a little more of what you no longer need. The memories that haunt you, the words that wounded you, the fears that still live in your body. You are not drowning. You are being cleansed. The ocean is whispering. You don't have to carry this anymore. And now imagine the water flowing into your heart space. Let it move gently through your stuckness, any grief, any heartbreak. Let it soften what was frozen. Let it flow. Breathe in deeply and exhale anything your body no longer wants to hold. And now say softly in your mind, I'm healing, I'm safe, I'm allowed to let go. Let this ocean of love hold you. Let the waves rock you into calm. Let yourself begin again. We will now close with a few affirmations to anchor this healing into your body. I am no longer bound by my past. I am open to peace, to love, to softness. My body is a safe place for me, and I honor my healing. It matters. I am whole. Let these words echo through your cells. Gently now, begin to return to your body. Feel your feet and your hands and your breath. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and when you are ready, open your eyes. And welcome back, my love. Thank you for allowing me to guide you today. Healing emotional trauma isn't easy, but it is a sacred work, and you're doing it, and you're doing it amazing. If this meditation helped you in any way, please support this space by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this with anyone who needs healing too. It helps the message reach more hearts. You are so loved, and you are never alone. And until next time, take gentle care of yourself. Namaste.